A very good morning. Haryana Assistant Professor Examination has been released. Now, this examination would occur in three sections. Understand this carefully. The first is a skill based test, screening test, and subject knowledge test. A skill based test is applied only to specific subject like fine arts, etc. For the others, it is primarily two tests, screening and the subject knowledge test. So, screening test would be a test where there would be general awareness, mental ability, and reasoning problems. 100 questions in 100 marks in 2 hours that you would have to solve. And of course, there is a negative marking +4 -1 that would be applicable. Now, those who qualify this screening test would be eligible for the subject knowledge test, and this test would be in their respective domain. So, for example, a student from geography would appear in geography, a student from psychology in psychology, and so on and so forth. Now, this is important to note that Haryana Assistant Professor Examination, the subject knowledge test would be descriptive in nature, unlike the UGC examination. So, students who have been preparing for UGC examination or NET examination, state set examination, do find it difficult to understand and write answers for the descriptive one. So, to assist you, we have a comprehensive coverage for all the subjects here. Now, here you would find the list of subjects, and accordingly you can actually go through any of the subject and understand the answers, the written answers. For example, this is a question on botany and this is an explanation which is written for botany, and so on and so forth. So for each of the subject you would find the descriptive answers and explanations here. So don't miss this, very important. If you want to get a seat and secured for Haryana Assistant Professor, make sure you have good writing styles and you practice your answer writing from right now itself. The subject knowledge test is scheduled to be in the month of August. In the June you have the screening test. So those who qualify the screening would be eligible for subject knowledge test. The subject knowledge test would have 150 total marks. The number of questions that would be asked is not yet specified, and the questions would be bilingual, Hindi and English. The qualifying marks would be minimum 35% for subject knowledge test. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to post those in the comment below, or connect us on the number below through WhatsApp, or you can also email us at admin@examrees.com. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.